Are you sick and tired to pay ChatGPT fees and you want to start paying as you go? You are in the right place because today we are going to discuss what are the options out there. Hello everyone, this is Professor Rino and today I'm with Caroline.
Hello everyone, I'm Caroline.
And today we are going to see together how we can use ChatGPT without having a subscription using an API. So what is an API? API stands for Application Programming Interface. And today we are gonna see how we can use it with the Page Assist. We have been already doing a video with the Page Assist to describe the main features, and today we are gonna discover the beauty of using API with it. There are 3 reasons why you should consider using an API. You will basically pay as you go. You will have the possibility to customize your GPT using user prompt and change other parameters. And the third reason, so stay with us, let's go and have a look at Page Assist and how to use it. Okay, Caroline, this is Page Assist. You remember what was it? Otherwise we do a small recap. Is basically a plugin that you can install on your Google Chrome. So of course you need to have Google Chrome installed on your PC or Mac, and then go and search for Page Assist and you will find this page. You will have the possibility to install it. In my case it's already installed, so that's why you see only the option to remove it, and it's a really beautiful tool. So if we open it on my PC,
Is it from Google?
the plugins of Google Chrome, they are not just released by Google, they are released by many other users that are excited about Google Chrome, and so they release a lot of other applications. You can see here I have a set of my favorite plugins that I use quite a lot with Google Chrome. So double check whenever you start a plugin who is releasing it and if you can trust it. In this case you can see that has a really good rating, 4.9, and there are already almost 200 reviews saying that it's a good tool, so we can trust it. So if I open it on my PC, you can see here that it's saying Ollama is running. Guess why? It's detecting the Ollama user interface and model that we installed a few weeks ago. If you want to see our video on how to use Ollama models locally for free, this is the video here. Just look at the beauty of use model locally. So you can see that we have the possibility to run a local model here, but today we are not going to cover this topic. We are going to go and see how we can use ChatGPT through API right here. So the first step is for you log in platform OpenAI.com. We are gonna put the link here in the comments. And once you log in, you will have the possibility to first of all add in your account. If you go to billing, you will see that I have already some small credit. We are not rich. We have only $5. Don't forget that it's US dollar. Don't underestimate, don't put $100. You might think it's Australian or New Zealand dollar, and then you will see the bills on your credit card that is double. So be careful, it's US dollar. So we can increase it, we can associate a payment method so it goes up, and every time you reach a specific low limit. In this case, $5 is gonna do most of what we are gonna try for this video. The second step after you put enough money on your account is to go to the dashboard, and the place where you need to go is here, API keys. So once we go here, you will have the possibility to generate a key. Here you can see an old key that I generated for another project. I'm not actually using it, so we can remove it. And we can generate our new key. Let's call it GPT test with the boss. So at least I will remember that is something done for you. I'm gonna see the possibility to choose between project. I don't have any project here, so I'm gonna just use the default. Interesting things here, depending on the key that you generate, you can put some restriction. So you can see here you have the possibility to customize what people can use, which kind of model they can use and what they can do with it. So there is a lot of possibility to customize what you want to do. For this video, we are just gonna give all the permission. We don't have restriction, but think about the possibility to generate a key for your kids. You wanna put some specific limits. You can do all this kind of sort of customization. For instance, I want to block my wife to use GPT-5, too expensive. And we are gonna cover that part.
Cool.
So in this case, let's just create a general one. So this is the key. I've been covering it because it's personal. I don't want to share it with you all, and we are gonna use it in a few seconds. I'm gonna copy it and go to Page Assist. We need to go to the setting of Page Assist. Then we are gonna go here, OpenAI-compatible API, and I'm gonna add the key here. I'm gonna say that this is OpenAI. The key is gonna be here, and for the URL, you need to use this specific URL. We will put, of course, in the comments below, and we are good to go. So you can see that Page Assist is asking us which model we can install. You can see that there is already ChatGPT 5. For the sake of this video, we are gonna just use ChatGPT 4, and let's try to get something. Let's try.
Why are we not using 5?
For the 5, you need to have some authentication, and we all know that ChatGPT 5 is basically like 4 after a color run, so what's the point? But joking apart, we need to be always mindful about the models that we are using because they affect the builds. So you can see here that there are different pricing for how much token, million of token you put as an input and how much token you receive as an output. So it's really important that you don't choose a really expensive model, otherwise the bill might go really up. In general, you can see that the mini or turbo version of the model are generally cheaper than the original full model because they use less performance, because they use less GPU. On the other hand, let's go and try the nano version and see if it's available. There we are. We have ChatGPT Nano. Let's try to be cheap. We don't have enough money in the account.
$4.69.
Let's hope that it's gonna last for this video. So let's save it, and the game is done. If we go here, we can see that ChatGPT 4.1 Nano, it's good to go. So let's go and create a new chat here. And GPT 4.1 Nano is working now. It's basically is gonna get our prompt, send it to the OpenAI house farm where they have all the AI models running on their own cloud, and give an answer back. Hello. Tell us about, of course, pizza. Let's see if it's working. There you are. So it's going pretty fast because it's not running locally. And if we go back and check as we go and progress, if I go back to my account and see my billing, you will see that this number is gonna go down and down as we go ahead. So you can see already that it's having an impact on our savings.
Yeah.
So we need always to be careful. Because in this case, yes, of course, we don't pay the $20 every month, but we start paying for the use. So what is good about using a model through API is the possibility to customize them. So for instance, we can ask a question and see if the model hallucinates. I'm pretty sure it doesn't have any clue about Professor Rino.
Mm-hmm.
So let's ask and see if it's capable to give an answer.
Right. Okay.
So it's telling it's good, not hallucinating, but we can make the model even better. Or we do it by putting some system prompt. If we go here, you'll see that we have a temporary system prompt, or we can put one that is always there. So how can we create a system prompt that follow a specific personality? Guess how? I will go probably and ask ChatGPT. So we are here now with ChatGPT 5. So let's ask for a prompt. And let's say that the model that we want to use is gonna be funny and make jokes about pizza. Ask it answer question. So let's see what ChatGPT generate for us, and then we are gonna copy and paste. So we can do a full video about system prompts. There are many requirements, like when you write a prompt. Caroline did a video how to personalize your prompt to make best use of ChatGPT. It's the same for system prompt. We will make probably a full video on that. So in this case, let's just trust the OpenAI, ChatGPT 5, and go back to Page Assist and copy and paste what has been developing for us. So you can see here that we can change different parameters. The temperature is an important parameter of a model. You can play with it. If you put it below 1, close to 0, the model is gonna be more deterministic. If you put it closer to 1 or above 1, you will see that the model is gonna be a bit more, they say creative, but for me it sometimes looks like some drunk. So it's like when you have too many shots and then you start talking too much, the model might start behaving like that. So the context left, we are gonna leave all the other things as they are. And let's see once again if everything has been saved. Yes. Let's go and ask something about Auckland, New Zealand, and see if the prompt is making. You can see here already. So you can see that the model now is doing its job, but he has a system prompt that is customized his behavior. What's the good things about it? That if you put a static system prompt and you want that your model always reply in your style or always reply in a certain way, it doesn't have emoji, it doesn't use traditional jargon that you don't like from, that sounds like too much ChatGPT-ish style, you can put in the system prompt what are the guardrails and how the word is gonna be written. Something that I don't really like in my writing is this big dash. Whenever I see them, I can see someone is using AI to generate this, so it's not an authentic writing. It's something that we can fix in a system prompt. So we now have the possibility to have an account with ChatGPT, but without paying every month fees. So if we need to double up, I need to spend $20 for myself, another $20 US for yourself, another 20 for the dog, Jove. So it's gonna be already $60 US. Imagine if you have a company with 300 people and most of them, they just use ChatGPT from time to time. That's the best solution that you can have. And the possibility to customize is something that you don't have in ChatGPT 4 or 5 when you use it directly with them. So it's a problem. The other good things here is that you have in Page Assist many other customization that we haven't discussed. You can create your own rag. So what is a rag? We are gonna show you how you can use thousands of documents in your own language model and in your own AI tools, so you can always query about this document and retrieve the information that are relevant to your search and whatever you're discussing about. Or you can do a lot of other customization, generate your own Python code, analyze your own personal bank account statements and stuff like that. So we can do a lot of these crazy things using tools like Page Assist, or my favorite, everyone knows, is Open WebUI. And we can then use a language model like ChatGPT as a backbone to do all the homework for us, the intelligent part behind all the system.
Well, I guess if you use ChatGPT a lot, it may be more economics to have the subscription than use it as you go.
Definitely, yes.
But if you don't use it a lot, then this is probably a good solution to try.
So,
and I like how you can set up system poll.
So you can see that we have the third reason. The first reason is that you stop paying for a subscription fees. You can see as a second reason, you can have customization. And the third reason, you make your wife happy. So we have the three reasons, and it seems that we are done for today. Thank you for being with us. Don't forget to support us and press subscribe. Is it up or down?
Subscribe is down.
Wherever you found it. And we are gonna put all the information on all the links down in the description. Thank you for being with us today, and see you in the next episode. Bye!